Hi friends, today I will look into how to export specific parameters from a structural rebar from Revit to Solibri under a predefined header. In front of you is the concrete rebar beam with rebars that I will export the parameters I want to export. To accomplish that, I will have to set up a text document that I connect to Revit before exporting it to an IFC file. The text document just opened is the default user-defined document from Autodesk, with a couple of examples. Start a fresh text document. Copy one of the examples over in the new document. I will use this as the base from which I will create my custom text script. Always a good idea to write down who made the script. This is for future users that will use the script. They may not understand it and come ask the creator of the script for help. I will also add a little description. Before the text, I will add a hashtag. When adding the hashtag, the text after will not influence the script in any way, and you can write down whatever you want. Okay, now that is that out of the way. Let's start with the script. The first line will be the header in the property set in the element in the IFC file. Set name is the name on that header. Change that to, I will call it rebar info. Important to know that you separate or split every value with tab delimited. Next value in the first line is that you need to determine if the value you extract from the object in Revit is either an instance parameter or a type parameter. I do believe that the script will get the parameter from the object regardless of what you type in here, but I will put in an I for instance. The last value text in the first line is what kind of element type or IFC entity will get the pushed parameters and headers in IFC. For example, this can be a beam, column, or in our case, all the reinforcement bars in Revit. So I will type in the entity name for our structural rebars, and that is IFC reinforcing bar. Again, check the tab if that is correct.